if I have a question where I have to find out 20% of number 60, so to find 20% of 60, the easiest part is I will say that 60 equals to 100%, right? 100%. So I want to find 20%. Okay, so that's my question. Equals to what? So I will place the percentages on one side and the numbers on another side. So I have to find the number, so I'll place it here, right? Okay, and the percentage will come on the same side. And secondly, that's the question, so I have to solve. So what will happen is when there are two diagonal, so I'll multiply it by like a cross. Okay, so I can see that there are two numbers diagonally which I will multiply, and the number on its own, when there's 100 doesn't have any number, it's a question mark, so that means I have to divide this number by the answer. So it will be like 60 multiplied by 20, 60 multiplied by 20, and then I will divide that by 100 because it's on its own, right? So that will go into division 100. I'll just cancel the zeros. Okay, it leaves me with 6 times 2, which is equals to 12, right? So 12 is the answer. So 12 is 45% of 60. So that's the answer. Now let's do another one. If I want to find 15% of 75, what I'll do is I will simply say 75 equals to 100%, right? So I'm looking for 15%, so I'll write it just below 100%, because percentages will come on one side and numbers will come on another. Equals to what? That's my question. So where the question mark is, the diagonal, that is divide, and where the numbers are, that gets multiplied. Okay, so I will multiply 75 times 15, right, over 100, and then I can do the equation. So that would be 20 and 3. You can just do this on calculator if you want. I'm just doing it manually. Okay, so 13 times 3 over 4, so that gives me 39 over 4. Okay, so it gives me in, I think, a decimal, so it's 9 point something is the answer. So that's how you do it. So please let me know if you have any questions for me.